Hello me darlings, welcome back to the channel. Here we are in the man cave, which is just there, and the man cave barn, which is just here. Well, I went and picked a little machine up yesterday, and I'm going to show you what it is. It's a Clifford Rotary Cultivator, and it is a model A3 from 1950. So, without further ado, let's have a look. See what it is. So it must weigh at least nearly a quarter of a ton. It feels like it, but it's self-driving. So let's have a look at it, see what needs doing with it. Then this will all be done in later videos, but hopefully at the end of the video we'll have a go at starting it and drive it backwards and forwards, hopefully. But I'll turn you around and let's have a look. Sun's nice and bright down here today. Look at that blue sky, is lovely. So I'll turn you around, and there we go. We've got a JAP 6, which is 588 cc, or 6 horsepower, as being a good JAP 6. You'll tang that. People often say, how do you date an engine? Well, if you look down here, I don't know if you can see it that well. There we go. Hopefully that's picking it up. Oh, it's a bit awkward because I've got a tripod. There we go. We've got a 6, which done out, so this is a JAP 6, and next to it is a letter S, and that's your year stamp. S denoting 1949. Unfortunately, these numbers here have been lost, but we've got this one here, so you can look online, see what it is. But this is 1949 S, and just over there, underneath the sheet, is a JAP 5 1947 Rotavator, the little sister to this one. So later on in a later video we'll get that one out and this one out and put them next to each other and have a look. But anyway, let's have a look. Nice air filter. I've got the pipe that goes on there, so we fit that. Governor. This here is a de-accelerator. We'll go through that. Got the clutch. And what I understand from the previous owner, lovely bloke Ian, thank you very much, big shout out to Ian. This is presumably a A35 clutch. So you got clutch there. And you got this here. This is, I think, to do with the twines. I'm still getting used to it. We've got the dipstick here for the oil level for the gearbox. It's sort of just on there, but it's very milky, so we're going to drain the oil out of it later when we do it. We've got a few little leaks, as you can see just down there, so we're going to put some new seals on it. Overall, it's in pretty good condition. Need some new tyres for it. These levers here, this is like a tank, early modern power steering, I suppose, or tank steering. You pull one, locks that wheel, and you go round to the right, and vice versa with the left. So yeah, she's got a little bit of a fuel leak. So we've got the controls here. This one here being the clutch. Here we go. Your de-accelerator. So if you want to untick over, you just push that around, and that there pushes that there. So, but we're gonna go through it all, clean that carb. Now we've got a bit of oil up on the head. This here is your high and low gears, but in the manual it shows low that way and high that way. It's the other way round. That's low, and you go back, and that's high. So you've got 2 speeds forwards, 2 speed backwards. This one here, which is that one. That there, I do believe, is your reverse gear. There it is. But in the future videos, I'll have this all sussed. That this one here is moves out. I think that's for your twines. That, and yeah, that's about it on the controls. These undo that, these handles tilt up, and also if you do that, you can swap it around like if you're ploughing or something with it. as you can see. So yeah, it's quite a rare machine. You don't see many of these. I was quite lucky to get it. Here's all your twines. In there, I'm going to put a wheel on there so we can safely walk it without these hitting it. There's a depth stop. And these just fold back like that, concertina. Oh. That's come out there. Let's see. Oh, hang on a minute. Let's get that back in. Oh, oh, it's not going in now. There we go. We're in. We can put that back down there. Yeah, this is your depth stop. So that's down the bottom. Yes, what else shall I show you? The fuel tank. This tyre ain't too bad. Valve here, it's actually got 27 on it. But yeah, there's your high and low gears. Little thing there. It's a little bit stiff, but I think once we've done the oil in the gearbox, that should make it a lot better. So there's your clutch, and here you got A3 and gearbox number and stuff there. There you go, CA and A. I don't know really what that means, but we've got C, A and A. 1346 A3. There's gearbox oil. Let's check this oil. There we go. Let's unscrew that. So as you can see, the gearbox is rather milky, so it's got water in there. But yeah, we've got oil, and the way to check your oil is not to screw that in, but just lay it on top like that. Then take it off, and if that's on the mark, that's full. So a little bit under. As you can see, it's quite. There's your full. So we'll screw that in there. We know this leaks a little bit, which you'll find out in a minute. Oh, yes, a little bit still. So yeah, we'll take this off, get it all cleaned up later in other videos, and have a look. So I think now we'll put some juice in it, and I'll come back to you in a second. I'll set you up somewhere, then we'll fire her up. Right, see you in a second. Yeah, JAP. Right, hopefully you can see there. We'll put some fuel in it, some go juice. So we'll do this. Let's quickly do this. So please leave comments and thumbs up. Nice to get a few thumbs up. Be nice to get a few comments from people. But yeah, let's give this a go. We'll put a drop of petrol in it. Don't want to put too much because it just all leaks out. This super unleaded in there. That should do that. Put the cap on. Get that ready. Do that. Do that. Yeah, it'll be quite interesting later getting JAP 5 and this JAP 6 together. Right, we've got the starting key. As Mr. Norfolk Man Cave was saying, make sure you're all lubed up. Now, lube that up, lube your starter. Right, let's turn the petrol on. Hopefully I won't flood it. That'd be a nightmare. We've got water coming through. Yeah, it's coming through now. We're leaking. Right. See what happens. Never put your hand on that. That's why I like a plug on there. And start these on the up. On the up. So on your compressor, do a little bit like that. Oh, certainly got some compression there. Nearly. Let's Try again, she should go. Oh, she's hard. Oh, nearly. Try again. Put the starting key back over here. The tries are going. Just do that. That's it. That stops her. As you can see there going. There you go. She runs quite sweetly, as you can see. That's quite good. We have got the starting handle here. A little toolbox. There's the air filter. It's got an hole in it, but I have got another one. So let's see if she'll drive. So I'll put you over here. Hopefully you'll be able to see. I'll give you an assistant here. But I haven't got retro suit at the moment. Try and put you somewhere. Are we there? Yeah. Right. Put it in gear. A little bit stiff here. Why is she not going in? She's not liking that at all. That's it, that's got them going. In the gearbox. No, it's going in. I put it in yesterday. I drove it down here. No, she's not going in. So this is the accelerator. Put down the normal revs. There we go. Right, hopefully you can see that. But yeah, for some reason, oh, there she goes. It was actually in. That was good, wasn't it? Right, this especially needs to be at low revs to be put into here. Put you there. Oh, there you are. going a bit peaked on. Right. See what we can do this time. Now we put the red light down. Amy, she went in there. Why is she not going in there? Typical. I'm trying to get into low. Gone into high. There she goes. There we go forward. Press that one. Then we go backwards. So yeah, so just pressing the clutch now. Backwards. Then you got to keep your hand on there. Right, and now we're in low. There we go. We've got some belt. Heads a bit than used to. Oh. Right. I'll just lock the thingy. Yeah. Okay, so there we go, that was it driving. Okay, I'm just getting used to it, so I'll have this mastered soon. But she's just ticking over. This is the accelerator. She should tick over. Not a bad little thing. Anyway, I'm going to end the video there. Hope you enjoyed that. Sorry I could only drive it a little bit, but later on we're good at driving a lot better. Once I've done a little bit of work on it. So, here I am. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe. And you'll be seeing more of this on the channel, as well as that one, the other machines which are laying here. Then we've got the plough, which is just down here. We've got an engine for that now, which is in there. But before I do all that, I've got to lay concrete on this floor. Then we've got the really good ultimate workshop. Anyway, take care, and I will see you in a future video. Don't forget, like, subscribe and comment down below, and check out all the other videos. Thank you very much. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.